Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first, the education sector could be set for further disruptions in the coming days as the standoff between teachers and the government is threatening to boil over.
On Wednesday, delegates of the Jamaica Teachers Association dismissed the government's offer after an emergency vote in St. Andrew. They came from far and wide. These JTA delegates represent teachers across the country. After a long day of back and forth, they voted to reject government's wage offer. A total of 578 ballots was issued. 346 delegates rejected the offer. 227 accepted it. There was one rejected ballot and 4 spoiled.
The delegates have spoken. They came representing the mandate from their constituents because we had the regional consultations and the constituents gave the delegates a mandate and they came representing, as you can see reflected in the vote.
The mood after the special delegates conference was festive, reflecting some of the scenes of the protests in the week.
So what happens now?
Well, the delegates have further spoken. They can't guarantee normalcy in the sector as of tomorrow. I would like the day is already done.
What does that mean, Madam President?
Well, the nation will see what and interprets what that means.
It means there will be more disruptions in the education sector. The teachers have been clamoring for a livable wage. We asked the JTA president, what does that look like?
They also gave a mandate that no less than $3 million. And so they gave that as well in the mandate. And so we're asking the government, we're asking the Prime Minister for year in, year out, all wage negotiations. The country has always asked the teachers to sacrifice and to take less. Always. And they have done it for many years.
She also insists the action taken by the teachers is not political.
Regardless of which party is in government, this is not a political football matter. The teachers just want to live.
So how will the government respond, and will more teachers join the industrial action?